We are, as I was saying, we are appalled by the situation going on right now. The situation is dire. And we are baffled that all the state agencies are denying responsibility for what is happening. The police wash their hands out of it. Indeed, they are captives. And the other day, General Moz was threatening even to arrest the director, CID Magambo. Said, you'll be arrested. They are captives. The Electoral Commission is equally helpless. At their meeting with all the stakeholders, including the police, they were just throwing hands in the air, literally saying, we have nothing to do. We are appealing to all of you, the state actors, non-state actors, please respect the law. That's where they ended. Parliament, the matter was brought on the floor yesterday. And the speaker was equally lamenting, the deputy speaker. Said maybe this is sponsored by people who hate government. You can imagine. Now who is going to come to the rescue of the people if all the institutions of state are just lamenting? The Electoral Commission, helpless. Parliament, lamenting. The police, they are saying, oh, the closest they came to give a hint on what is happening, they said, well, we are investigating. Can you imagine? And the people marauding around are well known. They have the banner of JATT, Joint Anti-Terrorism Force. JATT. JATT is not provided for anywhere in the laws of Uganda. It's not even a unit of the UPDF. Look at the UPDF Act and all the units they have. It's not there. For all intents and purposes, JATT is a militia. JATT is a terrorist organization. How on earth a force entrusted with upholding rule of law, to observe law and order in the country like the police force, can throw hands in the air like that? They are actually, literally, they are accomplices. They have been overrun, they have been hijacked, they have been taken over by JATT. You ask the Electoral Commission, don't you know these people? Can you imagine? You see.
Who's the gun?
Hmm? You look at these ones. They have guns which are ordinarily a monopoly of UPDF. AK-77, that's what they tell us. They have who's gun, actually not AK-47. Who's gun? They are armed to the teeth. You ask it, Parliament, can't you subpoena, can't you summon the CDF? Because we want Mr. Tayebwa, the Right Honorable Tayebwa, if you indeed meant what you said, why don't you summon the CDF to come and explain this? Bahati, who was also in the house as a minister, Bahati, is he really in charge? Is your neighbor? My brother Bahati actually is my classmate. Not classmate, we are year mate. We were in Lumumba at the same time. Now, you ask Mr. Bahati, Honorable Bahati, he was in the house, also literally crying. Said, as government, we are not aware of what is happening. We are not responsible for this. Disowning these people. Are they from DRC? Are they from Somalia? Are they from Mars? Where are they coming from?